Hi, in this presentation we're going to be discussing the market analysis portion of our project, Simple Learning. Group 6, our team, includes me, Natalia Manna, doing the voice recording in PowerPoint, Emilie Weber and David Etherage also helping create the PowerPoint, Alyssa Aguilera as team leader, as well as doing the stakeholder analysis alongside Alfredo Bescos. In the project background portion of our presentation, we're going to be tackling the problem statement, in which we identify our main issue in order to develop a solution. Secondly, we'll then discuss our approach to Disney's creative thinking process, where each step allows us to create plausible solutions for our problem. Lastly, we'll talk about the project goal that was developed through the prior steps to properly express the solution and how we plan to apply it. Our problem statement is: college students frequently encounter frustration and confusion while navigating learning management system mobile apps. Now, through Disney's creative thinking process, we're able to work through this issue and figure out a few solutions. A few reasons for this problem is due to the fact that learning management system apps are often quite different to other apps, and therefore a large portion of students' confusion center on it not being as user-intuitive as other apps are. Additionally, not all classes use the same standard model for their class, and thus many students are lost in how to navigate and, for example, turn in assignments when its layout strays from the ordinary. And lastly, if a student is not used to a specific LMS app, there's no explanation on how to use it, and thus they're often left to figure out the app for themselves and how to succeed in their given classes. Therefore, a few solutions could be basing our app on other apps, such as social media applications. College students are more likely to be familiar with social media sites, and hence, by focusing on a very familiar layout, this would improve hesitancy. While another issue was lack of pattern, by allowing each class to have the exact same layout, this would create an automatic response in students to which they no longer need to question how to navigate the interface once they've understood it. And finally, in order for a student to have this immediate response, our app will include video and text tutorials to disclose any issues with the platform. Although these solutions are feasible, there's still some criticism to be addressed. It might be quite difficult to adapt certain design choices from other apps, as they have been developed over a number of years by experts in their fields. Also, while the standard layout is helpful for the student, this might create certain boundaries for teachers and professors that want to expand beyond what is presented and thus have to settle for what is offered. And lastly, even though our intent is to help students, it does add another feature or app that they have to learn and understand in order to be successful. Therefore, our project goal resulted in being focused on helping students understand and create a more engaging educational experience to further their ability to succeed and defer from possible confusion caused by lack of intuitiveness. Now that we have discussed our project background, let's move on to our next step, market analysis. This step, we're going to identify both our stakeholders and target users, as well as examine and study market trends and our competitors. Our stakeholder map consists of 3 sections, the most inner part being the core stakeholders, who are college students, followed by the people who would be directly affected, including education content creators, LMS developers in addition to professors. And lastly, our indirect section comprises of universities and colleges and parents and guardians. Once the stakeholder map has been defined, we can then focus on the demographic portion of our target market. Our user would be around 18 to 24 years old, as they're still in college, whether that be an undergraduate or a graduate student, someone who is living in an urban or suburban area with any income and occupation. In the psychographic information, their values would consist of someone who is seeking academic success, but also values efficiency and prides themselves in independency and flexibility while also prioritizing their well-being. Their interests would concern extracurriculars at school and outside of, as well as socializing such as joining communities like clubs, networking, and communicating with peers. Their lifestyle is comprised of being productive and busy, where multitasking is common by managing school, jobs, and social lives, and their personality is very goal-oriented, tech-savvy, independent, and someone who is stressed and eager to try a new platform that is more intuitive and easy to understand. Moving on to understanding market trends, an essential part in comprehending the e-learning industry, a few include AI is enhancing personalized learning experiences by analyzing learners' strengths and weaknesses, tailoring content to individual needs, and providing virtual tutors. Additionally, VR and AR are being utilized to create hands-on experimental learning opportunities that traditional methods cannot offer. Also, the global e-learning market is projected to grow from $314 billion in 2024 to $354 billion in 2025, with a compound annual growth rate of 13%. Also, there is a shift towards bite-sized learning modules that fit into students' busy schedules, improving engagement and retention. Additionally, understanding the current landscape of e-learning platforms is crucial. A few competitors are Canvas, widely adopted across educational institutions, including actually the University of Florida. It offers a user-friendly interface with robust features for course management. It includes integration with various multimedia tools, mobile accessibility, and customizable dashboards. As well as Blackboard Learn is a long-standing player in the e-learning market. It provides a comprehensive platform with a focus on scalability and integration. It provides advanced analytics, virtual classrooms, content management to predominantly large universities and colleges. Moodle is a free open-source learning platform for educational institutions. It offers flexibility and customization, allowing to tailor the system to their specific needs. It allows for modular design for plugin integration, a mobile-friendly interface, and comprehensive reporting. Thank you.